Hey everybody, Noah here. Yes, I did just buy a website for $37,000 if you saw the tweet. So I guess I'm in this for the long haul now. I'm kind of invested in this. I'm going for it. We're going to make this happen. So in this video, I'm going to kind of share what are my top priorities of what I'm going to do next, what I need to do to kind of get things moving. It's kind of crazy when you just like buy a business or buy a website like this. It's like it kind of just jumps you into the middle of like you're kind of starting running already. I'm kind of already sprinting, trying to like figure out what to do, how to make this thing happen, stuff like that, which is kind of cool. It's kind of nice to not have to start from zero. The last like 4 or 5 months, I've been like kind of trying to figure out what I want to do, and you're kind of starting a project from scratch. When you do that, it's pretty easy just to pivot to something else. But now, I kind of have this thing already in motion. So I got to kind of start with that. So priorities, first priority is just like learn from the traffic, learn from the users that are already there using the website. It was pretty cool seeing people that just saw the tweet and there's multiple people that are like, oh, I use that website, or I've used that website. So just like having conversations with people. I did have this form on the website where people are kind of submitting information. I already had like 8 people submit feedback, and that was just on like a blog post about the acquisition. So trying to learn from people, have conversations. So I kind of know that's kind of priority 2, make some fixes, some changes to the calculator on the website itself. So I'm already starting to kind of do some of those things. Going to add some new chains here this week. So that should be good. So adding some new things, hopefully making it more valuable. Priority number 3 is figuring out ads. I've already kind of started this, already have like a couple different companies kind of interested, kind of talking with different people. Even before I bought the website, I was talking with people to try to get an idea of like, oh, okay, what would you pay to put an ad on this website? But I got to kind of play around with some different ways, like some different options like affiliate programs, Google AdSense, just kind of play around with it to learn, to see what makes the most money on a website like this. So figuring that kind of stuff out is definitely a priority. I don't even know what number we're on, 4 maybe. Priority number 4 is like get a way to start collecting emails. Like I think this will be important to kind of have some more ownership of the website, and especially once I have a product, to be able to send emails to people that like, hey, this thing is going on. So I got to figure out something valuable. What's a valuable email kind of newsletter or automated email that goes out that's valuable to people that will get them to want to sign up for that. So collecting emails is important. And then the last priority number 8, we'll say, is basically just to start growing the traffic, try to get the traffic to grow so that we can start growing the revenue of this website and get more people to the website. So those are my priorities, and I'm kind of jumping in on all those quickly. And I should be sharing more of that here on Twitter and maybe in this video format. So we'll see how that goes. I've had some people say like, oh, you shouldn't build in public. But I kind of like building in public because it keeps me accountable. I think it actually makes me more motivated and move quicker and build faster. So I think I'm going to build in public, but I'll see. Maybe I'll ask kind of a poll question what people think about that. All right. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.